flashed through his mind. Evil, noble, and distinguished. Patrick Long had this kind of aura too. The higher the level of a Nightwalker, the more pronounced the aura, Zack muttered softly to himself. Zack pulled himself away from the mirror and walked over to the bed, taking his phone out from under the cold sheets. He unlocked the screen to find an unread message. Please survive. Please. Everyone's totally freaking out. Call me when you receive this message. If you receive this message. Zack closed the message and dialed Gwen's number. It was time to tell his co-workers that miraculously he
This is the story of the One. As a lineman, it's his job to keep the power on. That's why he chooses Grainger for professional-grade products and next-day delivery, so he can rise to every challenge. Call, click, or just stop by. Grainger, for the ones who get it done.
Zack closed the message and dialed Gwen's number. It was time to tell his co-workers that miraculously he was still alive. In the high-end